Did you know that despite being inundated with financial market news and information on what to do with your money and how to invest on the internet, people are still having trouble making wise decisions about their money? Why is that? Well, it turns out that it's not about having more information, more knowledge, and more number sense. A lot of it has to do with our money psychology. So that's why I created the Reset Your Money Mindset Workshop. It's a place for us to get together virtually for a full day and dive deep into our money psychology. We'll start with our money stories. These are beliefs that we've inherited from our ancestors and our parents, that we've absorbed from a society, and it affects the way we view money today and the decisions that we make. So we'll dive deep into those roots and with a series of exercises. It's really, really good work. We'll also unearth our values and discover what's most important to us so that we can create a value-based budget that really works because it's tied into who we are. We'll create a vivid life vision that's lush, bold, and abundantly yours, and be empowered through that vision. I'll also go through how money actually works, and what our 5 money powers are, so that we can be empowered by the financial choices that we need to make in this world. And finally, we'll co-create a 1-year plan with actionable steps to living into those visions. So this is a full 1-day workshop. It's Saturday, January 21st. It's from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Pacific time, and from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time. So I hope that you'll join me. The last session that we did got really, really good reviews and was really impactful for the people that joined us. And I'm hoping the same for you. This will be right after New Year, so we'll have a chance to, do some vision boarding and get creative about our life visions. I'm excited about this, so I hope you'll join me.